Today, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite balance equipment that I use with numerous different seniors and beginners that I work with to improve their overall stability and steadiness on their feet. It can be overwhelming sometimes when thinking about what fitness equipment to buy, and especially when you're looking at balance equipment, it becomes even more difficult. Let's look at a few options that you can purchase to hopefully improve your balance even more than before and also add a little bit of spice into your workout routine. So one of the first things I wanted to briefly touch on is why you would actually want to use balance equipment to begin with. Now, when you're first starting out learning balance drills, maybe you finish physical therapy or you're just finding something online to keep you more steady, you may see a lot of different exercises like the ones demonstrated in the video, which don't use any equipment. And to be completely honest, it's a really good start. But at the same time, you'll probably notice that, hey, these are kind of boring now. I'm getting used to them. Or maybe they're even getting a little bit easier. That's exactly where implementing some of the balance equipment that I'm going to show you in the video would be highly advantageous for you. So not only does it kind of give a little fresh take on some different exercises, making them a little bit more challenging, but it also can improve the overall strength and stability of your body even more than sometimes just doing your body weight exercises. So the first balance equipment I'm going to show you is what I call agility dots. These are something that I use in numerous different classes where ultimately they can be used as markers for different exercises. So I use them a lot of times to work your overall quickness, and in this exercise you're seeing right here, it's actually like a foot tap thing. So you're moving very quickly, which also works your balance, steadiness, and coordination quite a bit as well. And they're also very easy to see, so if you have visual impairments, that's very handy. All right, next up on the list is, of course, balance hurdles. You might have used these in physical therapy at some point, and these are a really good handy tool to work your hip strength, stability, and of course your single leg balance as well. I'm showing you some just basic hurdle variations right now, but you can do these on the side. You can, of course, do them much quicker. And the really cool thing about the hurdles that I have in the video is that they're actually adjustable, so you can make them a little bit taller if you have really good balance or a little bit shorter if you need to work on it more. Now, if you purchase hurdles with the link in the description, you actually get some balance cones in the same package, and it's actually a perfect opportunity for you to practice a little different balance drills. So I'm doing some slaloms here, so I use these a lot for different get up and go variations where I'm practicing standing up, going around an object nice and quick. These are super light, super portable, and you actually get about 20 or so in the actual package, so it's really handy, great balance tool. In addition to that, we can also buy a stepper or a step stool. This is a really good piece of balance equipment because it allows you to work your single leg balance and strength at the same time. If you are somebody who struggles going up the stairs, or if you struggle even going up curbs, this is a great implement because it kind of mimics exactly what you would be doing in those first two areas. You can get a stepper that's a little bit smaller. This one I have might be a little high. And of course, what would a balance equipment haul be without a balance pad? This is a commonly used item in physical therapy, home gyms, individuals who just want to improve their balance. You will likely see a balance pad. They're super affordable, especially the one in the description that I use and recommend for you to try. I really like using this tool because a lot of individuals have already been exposed to it, making it easy to fit into a program. In addition to this, it really does offer quite a unique balance experience. In addition to that, another cheap option is some ankle bands. These go around your feet, and essentially it's going to strengthen a lot of the muscles around your knees and hips, in addition to really challenging your balance. Of course, if you have anything on your ankles, it's really difficult to move around and navigate the world. I really like these too because they practice your ability to step nice and far, which is often neglected in individuals who are trying to work their balance and improve their coordination. I also like using weights with individuals, and you're probably thinking, why in the world would I buy a pair of adjustable weights? Well, you can do a lot of different balance and strength exercises, and if you probably notice a theme, having good strength actually can help your balance a little bit. So while doing numerous different exercises, especially with a weighted load, not only is it going to challenge your core strength and stability, but it's really going to work your balance as well. That weight's going to be pulling your body towards one side, which, as you can imagine, you're going to be working in a lot of different capacities like that in real life. Another perfect piece of balance equipment is some tennis balls. These are perfect because when you're on a hard surface, they can bounce off the ground and give you a little bit of coordination and quickness work as well. When it comes to working your hand-eye coordination, balance is super crucial and important to this as well. So if you kind of add some of these ball drop variations as you see, in addition to tossing the ball maybe from a partner or off the wall and catching it, you can clearly see how it's really going to work your balance, and it's also very cheap and portable. Now, of course, we can also use some sliders as well. These are a perfect way to strengthen your leg in a single leg fashion, of course. In addition to that, you are doing quite a bit of balance work on that single leg that is not moving in this time. I also really like this because it kind of stretches out your inner thigh area that doesn't get a lot of work and attention in our normal lives. So it's a very challenging movement, very challenging on your overall leg strength, stability. But of course, we're all here for balance too. This is really going to hammer home that balance as well. If you did want to try out any of these balance tools, make sure to check them out in the description. I put all the links down there for the products. And if you wanted to keep improving in the gym and become healthier in life, regardless of your current ability, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Otherwise, I'm going to link a few videos right now showing you how to use some of this balance equipment.